Hey guys, today we're making a video about automatones. You should know about it. We're unboxing them. As you can see, they're right behind them in their boxes. So, let's get to it. First, we're going to be unboxing the Kirby Otamatone. It's a melody, so it's a smaller version. So let's get it open. So it has Kirby, and it comes with 3 Kirby musics. It comes with Green Greens, Get Up and Gourmet, Tomorrow is Another Day. Alright, and it says 7 other songs come with it, and it has a keychain. Oh, the keychain fell out. Crap. See? Okay, here you go. Ooh, it's like a little book. Okay. It has a list right here. Happy birthday, Saints Go Marching, musicians, jingle bells, look at that. And inside is a whole bunch of safety instructions. Don't need to read that. Alright, now we're getting to the Kirby. So, diving in. So we got a Kirby Otamatone. Looks like it doesn't have the pull tab in it. So, let's see. Actually, let me close it. Wait, is this Green Greens? Yeah, this is Green Greens, alright. And look, the mouth is flexible, so you could do this. Pretty cool. And next is Get Up and Gourmet. So in the United States, it's called Gourmet Race, and it's a pretty popular song. So listen. And also there's a button right here. This button. If you click this button, the song automatically plays. Wait. This is Tomorrow's Another Day. So if you're really bad at playing automatones, just click that button. But this button, it's like on a normal automaton, you just click it to make noises, but you don't go up and down for different tones. And how about we do birthday? Alright, let's do When the Saints Go Marching In. So this is the Kirby Otamatone. We'll do one more song and then we'll be done. Hold on. Sorry, the head was just popping off. It's pretty easy to put back on. So, let's do Tetris. Okay, so since we're on Saints Go Marching In, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Da, 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 da. Kirby loves you! Alright, we're done with the Kirby Otamatone. We'll set him right over here. So now, we're going to the Otamatone Standard. I got a black one. Wait, we forgot to do one thing with the Kirby. Put the keychain on. And y'all can tell me whatever to put this on, because the keychain is a really good use for it. So a backpack maybe, or really anything that you could hook a keychain on. But Kirby's going right here. Alright. Yep. Time to go to the standard Otamatone. We have the standard Otamatone. It's the black one. And this one might be a little bit harder to play. But yeah, it says wah wah wah, 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 wah. Okay, that's the sound it makes. Easy touch, electronic musical instrument. Okay, so let's open it. This one came kind of beat up. Alright. Got our Otamatone and it's in a spot for batteries. Does it already have batteries in it? Okay, so here's a stem. Oh, this moves. Cool. Alright, so are the batteries already in it? Alright. Oh, the batteries are already in it. Okay. Alright, that's cool. Okay. So I saw in some videos you could do this. Yo! And look. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, let's go take a look inside of this. Oh, okay. So, it came with... Oh, so it's like a little... It came with a song. It's a practice sheet. So it looks like Symphony Number 9 in D minor, 125 choral. So this song was made by Ludwig von Beethoven. Let's put this trash on the ground and let's try this song. So the numbers say the lower the number, the higher you go. The higher the number, the lower you go. Okay, so let's try. Two, three, two, two. Oh wait, I think I know it. Okay, let's try to go a little faster. Yo, wait. Do you guys know this song? Cause this is like on movies and stuff. Look. So look, it's da 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 da. Black Otamatone loves you too. Do 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 do. Say bye bye. Oh, that's right. You can't say bye. Well, I'll say bye for you then. Bye-bye. And Kirby needs to say goodbye too. He can't even say goodbye either. Can you, Kirby? Oh, okay. Let's say bye for him too. Bye-bye. So, I hope you guys liked the Otamatone video. I'll be doing more of these in the future. Because I love Otamatones. So long.